Abantu ba Gavumenti eriyo negaruzayo bashangirwe berundaniro mu kishu kimwe kubagiye kubacondoza bashanga abataahire mu eihanga omu muringo gutahikire. Aba baba barimo abashaija barikuhika 101 n'abakazi 28 kandi babire nibaruga omu mahanga nka Pakistan, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, India hamwe na Miami. Nikigamba ngu bamwe babire biine za visa zo kutayaya konka bashangirwe barukukora emirimo mu eihanga ekirikuhenda amateeka ga Uganda.
Removal the second batch of illegal immigrants who had been apprehended in Bukoto. Under intelligence-led inspection, we were able to apprehend 169 illegal immigrants. These have been processed, they have been investigated, and have been found to have breached the immigration laws of Uganda. So as a result, we have taken them through the due process and we are having them removed from the country.
Omuhezi wa Commissioner Omuneneserezo nagira ngu nikiteganisa ebyentaasya by'eihanga ahabw'okuba abantu aba bakubire nibashashura emishoro.
But if you're working, then you are also going to evade taxes because you're supposed to pay taxes if you're working. Then you're also supposed to pay for the permit. That permit is supposed to contribute to the non-tax revenue of Uganda. So if you work without a work permit, then you are also evading the payment of money to the government of Uganda. That is the major problem we have because you are working but Uganda is earning nothing.
Abana bazagarizwayo omu bicweka ahabw'okuba enyonyi enyingi zibaire zijwire kandi izo baryanyumwazi bagarize abantu barikuhika 23 erizo abatwara 18 nibija kukora sawa 40. Okukwata abantu aba kirijurire ahari bagenzi babo abashangire barikugezaho kuyambwa kwijuza empapura.
The problem there is that what are you using the visitors visa for? If we find you in a work environment, if we find you working, then you are misusing that visitors visa. A visitors visa allows you to come and visit to tour the country, but not engage in work. If you are to engage in work, then you have to get the relevant facility, which is called a work permit. So once we find you working without a work permit, then you have already breached the immigration laws of Uganda.
Kato yaashaba abanya-Uganda boona okwiberaho ab'obushoborozi bareba omuntu weena obu batarikucenga.
I would like to pass on to Ugandans is that please, if in your communities you have immigrants who you are not certain of, please report to the Department of Immigration, to the Directorate of Immigration, and we shall take the necessary action.
Awa TV West, Ndabulkarim Sengendo na Sulaiman Mutebi.